Okay, today we're continuing talking about proofs. So far we've talked about conjectures. Conjectures were guesses or ideas we had based on evidence that we saw. We also talked about inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is when you try something, find it's true, so you try it again, you find that's true, so you would assume it's true for all cases. And now today we're going to be talking about deductive reasoning. So deductive reasoning is when you prove something with mathematical logic and reasoning. Okay, so if we look at this example, John discovered a pattern when he was adding integers. So he added 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and he got 15. Then he added minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, he got minus 65. Then he added minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 equals minus 5. So he said, whenever you add 5 consecutive integers, the sum is always 5 times the middle or median of the numbers. So if you look in his first one, his answer was 15. That is the middle number, which is 3, and that is 5 times the middle number. So he tried it for 3 cases and it worked. So John is doing inductive reasoning. So if we wanted to prove this deductively, I will show you how to do that. So deductively, you are going to let a value or your number just equal x. And you need 5 consecutive numbers. So if this is one number, x plus 1 could be our other number, and x plus 2 could be our other number. Therefore, we could also do x minus 1 as a number, and x minus 2 as our other number. So now we have 5 consecutive numbers represented by x. So if we were to add all of these up, we will add all the x's. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. And we'll add all the numbers. So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Plus 1 is a minus 2. Plus 2 is 0. So we end up with 5x. So what this shows us is we ended up with 5 times what our middle number was. Our middle number was x, and our answer was 5 times our middle number. So we just proved deductively that this was a true statement.